Have you noticed something strange about human beings? When we are young, we worry about getting old. When we get old, we worry about dying. So tell me, when exactly do you live? What if I told you that one of the biggest tragedies of humanity isn't death? It's never fully living before death arrives. The cycle of human reality. This is the cycle most people unconsciously live in. As children, we can't wait to become adults. As adults, we worry about growing old. As old people, we worry about dying. Every season is spent looking at another season. Very few people are actually present in the season they are living. The future keeps stealing today's joy. Fear keeps stealing today's peace. Tomorrow becomes a thief, not because tomorrow is bad, but because you've abandoned today trying to prepare for it. The lie we believe. You are taught to prepare for the future. There is nothing wrong with preparation. The problem begins when preparation becomes your entire life. Some people save money but never enjoy life. Some build careers but never build themselves. Some spend decades planning retirement without learning how to live on an ordinary Tuesday. Preparation is wisdom. Living only in preparation is fear disguised as wisdom. There is a difference. Trauma makes the future feel safer than the present. Trauma teaches you something dangerous. It tells you, if I can control today, I won't get hurt again. So your mind constantly lives in the present. You are physically here, but mentally somewhere else. You are eating while thinking, walking while worrying, talking while planning, sleeping while overthinking. Your body is alive, but your attention is living in another day. And life only happens where your attention is. Then the old age arrives. Eventually, old age comes. But something interesting happens. The fear doesn't disappear. It changes clothes. Yesterday you feared getting old. Now you fear dying. You finally reach the destination you spent decades preparing for. Yet peace never arrived because fear was never about age. Fear was always your identity. If your identity is built on fear, fear simply finds a new subject. The hidden truth. You cannot create memory inside fear. Fear only creates survival. Presence creates life. The greatest gift you can give to yourself isn't more years. It's more awareness inside the years you already have. The present isn't waiting for your permission. It's passing. Every second you postponed living becomes another memory you never created. One day you will realize you weren't running out of time. You were running away from it. Stop waiting for life to begin. Stop postponing joy. Stop believing you will live after one more promotion, one more relationship, one more achievement, one more problem disappears. Life is not happening tomorrow. Life is introducing itself to you right now. The quality of your future depends on how fully you live today. Because the person who is always chasing tomorrow eventually arrives at old age, only to discover they never truly met tomorrow. So here is the question. Are you living your life or just preparing for it? If this message challenged the way you think, follow Mindfix. Because rebuilding your identity starts the moment you stopped surviving the future and start living the present. Comment today if you are choosing to stop postponing your life.